Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring core tools are present so nothing blocks progress. Install VS Code and Node.js, then set up Git. These give you code editing, runtime, and version control. Once done, create and open a project folder in VS Code and run npm init to scaffold package. JSON. Next, add essential dev dependencies such as ESLint and a live reload server. This enforces quality and speeds iteration. Make sure your editor extensions for linting and formatting are enabled so you can code consistently. You now build the app's backbone by creating a clear folder structure, src, components, assets, styles, so code stays maintainable. Start with the main entry file and wire routing or navigation. If your app uses async data, implement an API layer or state management now. Once the core logic exists, extract reusable components and keep functions pure for easier testing. Run unit tests and use the live reload server frequently. This catches regressions quickly and keeps feedback loops short as you iterate on features. You finish by preparing a production-ready build. Set node env to production, enable minification, and verify source maps if needed. Then configure continuous integration to run tests and linting on every push. Integrate deployment so that main or release branches automatically publish. Once deployed, monitor logs and performance metrics. If something breaks, check build logs, clear caches, and confirm environment variables. Often a missing key or wrong path causes failures. Make sure rollback procedures exist so you can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.